Good afternoon. I'm Bruno Rodriguez, meteorologist at the National Weather Service in San Diego. This is your weekly weather update with information on the ongoing fire danger and upcoming heat event. Something that we've been advertising for a while now is a very high fire danger across portions of inland San Diego, Riverside, and San Bernardino counties today and locally into tomorrow as well. I'll also discuss the heat, which will continue to intensify over the next few days, especially west of the mountains. One final thing to consider if you're heading to the beaches to escape the heat is that we do expect a high risk of rip currents in Orange County through tomorrow as a long period southwest swell is reinforced. Our 7-day hazards outlook highlights these threats. As you can see, the highest fire danger is expected through tomorrow, Tuesday, but even though offshore winds will subside midweek, it'll still be very dry away from the coast, so expect fire weather conditions to remain elevated even into the weekend. It's noticeably warmer already today, but temperatures will keep on increasing at least through Wednesday, with the next 3 days expected to be the hottest. We should see slow and gradual cooling after that and into the weekend. Focusing on the fire danger, a reminder that we do have a red flag warning currently in effect for the foothills and passes. Offshore winds will mostly be weak, with maximum gusts around 40 miles an hour in wind-prone areas. The greatest danger will be confined to the far eastern portion of the valleys and all foothill areas, largely east of the I-15 corridor. Winds should weaken tomorrow around the Cajon Pass area, but will be fairly similar in strength further south, and likely more widespread in San Diego County, affecting most of the valleys on Tuesday. For that reason, we've extended the red flag warning through tomorrow for San Diego and Riverside counties. Humidity will be very low, especially on Tuesday, when it could lower to under 10% away from the coast. So how about temperatures? We'll start the forecast highs for tomorrow, Tuesday. The jump in temperature should be very noticeable, and the weak offshore flow will likely push highs into the low hundreds across much of the inland valleys. The coast will be milder, but still very warm with mid-80s at the beaches. The heat will crank up even more on Wednesday, which could be the hottest day of the week for most areas west of the mountains. Highs above 100 Fahrenheit will be even more widespread, inching closer to the coast, and could locally exceed 105, with beaches approaching 90 degrees. Overall, highs will range between 10 and even up to 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. Thursday could be a touch cooler near the coast, but still very hot across the board, and a good 10 to 15 degrees above normal. The deserts will likely continue to heat up, with highs around 110 in the Coachella Valley. Temperatures will finally start to decline more noticeably as we head into the weekend, although we expect to remain warmer than average through at least Sunday. Given the high fire danger, it's a good idea to review your evacuation plans and some tips to keep you safe. Please heed all evacuation orders from local authorities. Fires can spread extremely quickly, and at times emergency services may be overwhelmed. If you believe you're in imminent danger from a wildfire, it's best to evacuate even in the absence of an official evacuation order. Lastly, it's worth reviewing some heat safety tips. This will not be an ideal week for outdoor activities such as hiking, which we recommend delaying. Remember that several national forests are currently closed as a result of the high fire danger, so factor that into your plans. Keep hydrated and be mindful of your pet's vulnerability to heat stress. That's all from us. Enjoy your week and remember to stay vigilant.